Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech so you can handle it like a pro. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use a chip card at the gas pump in 2025. With all the advancements in payment tech, it's quicker and safer than ever, but let's walk through it step by step so you never get stuck at the pump again. First off, why bother with chip cards? In 2025, they're the go-to for secure transactions, using encrypted chips to protect your info from fraud. So, pull up to the gas station, and let's get started. Step 1. Insert your chip card into the slot on the pump. Most pumps now have a clear indicator light. Look for the green one to know it's ready. If your card has a contactless option, you might even tap it, but we'll stick to the chip for now. Once inserted, the pump's screen will prompt you to follow on-screen instructions. This usually means entering your PIN for verification. Make it quick and secure. Next, select your payment method if asked. Chip cards often link to rewards or autopay features these days. Then, choose your fuel type and the pump number if it's a multi-pump setup. In 2025, many pumps integrate with your phone app, so if you've got the gas station's app installed, you can pre-select options for even faster service. After that, remove your card once the transaction is authorized. Don't forget, as some pumps lock it in place temporarily. Start pumping your gas, and keep an eye on the total. Digital receipts are sent straight to your email now. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like a faulty reader, use the station's contactless pay or ask an attendant. They're trained for these new systems. And there you have it. Using a chip card at the gas pump in 2025 is a breeze once you know the ropes. It saves time, boosts security, and might even earn you points. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your biggest gas pump hassle? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.